Hey folks, Tim Orlando here with another great fresh trade. Today I have a 2017 Hyundai Tucson Limited. Limited means loaded. It's got a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine, all-wheel disc brakes, all-wheel drive, projector halogen beams, LED fog lights, a panoramic roof, keyless access, turn signal integrated into the side mirrors, and a backup camera. This thing is loaded up. Let's take a look. All right, underneath the powered liftgate on this, you have a ton of storage, 12-volt power outlets in the back, a full-size spare underneath, and a 60-40 split for both seats to lay down and add that extra storage. Now, moving up front, you've got cup holders galore, HVAC in the back, and then you've got seat pockets galore, so lots of storage, very comfortable. Moving up front, dual powered seats, dual climate control, heated seats, navigation, and Ricky pointed up, look at that big old panoramic moonroof wide open there for you. This has got a ton of nice features, low miles, and it's certified. Safety, reliability, warranty, low miles, and stylish. That's what this car has to offer. A ton of nice features, a ton of warranty, and it's gonna be here maybe not too long. So you need to come see me, Tim Orlando, across from Walmart in Indiana at Delaney Honda, right on Oakland Avenue off of 422. Or pick up the phone, 724-717-1500. I'd love to get you more information on this vehicle or any of the other vehicles we have here. Look forward to meeting you.